Share this article. In addition to a temblor near Julian, 2 quakes struck within a few minutes near Calipatria, shown, south of the Salton Sea in Imperial County. USGS 3 small earthquakes struck Southern California Sunday, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. Just before 9:30 a.m., a magnitude 2.4 temblor was detected about 10 miles southeast of Julian. The USGS "Did you feel it?" website tool reported no responses. About 2 hours later, 2 quakes struck within a few minutes near Calipatria, south of the Salton Sea in Imperial County. According to the USGS website, most of the shaking was confined to farms near the epicenter, and a handful of people reported light shaking elsewhere in the Imperial and Coachella valleys. City News Service series of small earthquakes rock Julian, Salton Sea area was last modified, June 17, 2018 by Tony McAllister. Subscribe to Times of San Diego's free daily email newsletter. Click here, follow us.